Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. My name is Ayushi and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you simple exercises that will help you in getting rid of your neck and your shoulder pain. Also, the best part is you can do these exercises anywhere, whether you are traveling or talking to a friend or watching a movie. Just try to do this as much as you can, at least whenever you have the pain, and this will make the pain disappear, I promise. Let's get started.
Firstly, bring your both hands shoulder level and we start with some squeezing fingers. Open your fingers wide apart and then squeeze in. Inhale, open, exhale, in. Now bring your fingers together and we do some palms up and down. So inhale, lift your palms up, exhale, down. Slowly make a fist with your fingers and do some rotations clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Make sure you are sitting straight and your spine is straight. Now bring your both palms on your knees. Gently inhale and exhale. When you inhale, open your chest and expand your hands. Exhale, squeeze in and hunch your back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deep and long. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. Gently inhale. And then slowly exhale. Bring your both hands on your head. Slowly interlock your fingers and twist your wrists. Now bring your both hands up. Exhale down. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale down. Gently inhale. Exhale. Try to focus on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gently inhale, exhale, relax your hands. Take some breathing. Both hands on your knees, keep your eyes closed, focus on your breath. Now slowly bring your hands shoulder level, bend your elbows and just expand your hands out and in from your elbows. Inhale, both hands in. Exhale, open your hands. Inhale, in. Exhale, open. Inhale, exhale. Now we do some rotations. Try to open your shoulders and open your chest as much as you can. Now opposite side. Take some breathing. Keep your spine straight and your hips grounded. Slow and long breathe. Now bring your both hands on your knees and then bring your both hands straight. Make a fist facing each other and then bend your elbows and then straighten your elbows. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now the same thing we do in the side. Gently inhale, open your hands. Exhale, bring your fists together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly relax. Try to observe your breath. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and your neck region. And now we do some neck rotations. First we do the upward rotation. So just go from your right shoulder to your left shoulder and then again left to your right. Try to stretch your neck as much as you can. Following the breath. Inhale while going one side. Exhale while coming back. Breathe deep and long. Now slowly same thing we do in downward rotation. Left shoulder to right shoulder and then right to left. Make sure you are touching your chin to your chest. While keeping your spine straight, take deep inhale and completely exhale. Stretch the back side of your neck and give a gentle rotations to your neck. Slow breathe. Slowly come to center. Take some breath and relax your neck. Observe your breath. Now gently bring your right ear closer to your right shoulder and then use your left hand to push your head down. Give a gentle stretch to your head. Don't overstrain here. Focus on your breath. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, repeat the same on opposite side. Push your head down. Then slowly inhale, come up. Bring your right chin closer to your right shoulder and then use your right hand to bring your head down. Just give a gentle push to your head. It will help you in stretching the back region of your neck. And same thing we repeat on left side. Take some breathing slowly. Relax. Now we do some hand stretch. You can do your hands in an eagle pose. So once you bring your right hand over to your left and then try to bring your palms together and then we do some elbows up and down. Here make sure you are squeezing your hands, your shoulders are rounded but your spine is straight, and when you inhale lift your elbows up and then exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale up and try to hold. Just take some breathe here and then relax. Now change your side. You can place your left hand over to your right and try to bring your palms closer to each other. Now the same thing we repeat. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Try to focus on your breath here. You can increase or decrease the number of repetitions according to your convenience. Just don't overstrain yourself. Take a deep breath. Relax in Sukhasana. Watch your breathing. Try to relax your shoulders and your neck mentally. Now slowly sit and now open your legs. Keep your feet shoulder distance apart and your palms facing back side of your body. You can just take a measurement like this. Bring your right knee closer to your left heel once and just check. And then look right side. Try to open your right shoulder and then relax. The same thing we repeat on opposite side. Bring your left knee closer to your right ankle and then look left. Then slowly relax. Now again come to Sukhasana and just open your hands. Just loosen up your hands, loosen up your arms from your shoulders. And then slowly left hand catch your right knee, right hand back support and open your right shoulder. Try to look back as much as you can. As you inhale, lift your spine up. As you exhale, twist little bit more. Then whenever you feel comfortable, change your side. Again come to center. Now we give a lateral stretch to our shoulders. keep your right palm closer to your right side of the body and then walk your palms right side. Try to bring your right elbows on the floor if possible. Keep your left hand parallel to the floor and look up. If it is difficult, you can look in front as well. Then slowly inhale, come up and do it on the left side. Walk your left palm away from your body. Then raise your right hand up. Try to gaze at your right palm and then slowly bring your left elbows on the floor. Try to look up. Slow breathe. Keep your opposite hip grounded. Now keep your both arms on your knees. Just give a last stretch to your shoulders. Bring your left hand closer to your right side of your waist and then interlock your fingers. Then slowly open your left shoulder to look back. Now bring your right hand closer to your left side of your waist. Left hand catch your right fingers and then open your right shoulder. Try to open your shoulder as much as you can and breathe. Slowly relax. Now just squeeze up your shoulders and drop. Just give a gentle neck stretch to both sides and then relax. Slowly relax your body. Give mental relaxation to your body, especially your neck and your shoulders and your arms and your fingers. Take slow and long breath and slowly relax.
Thank you for watching this video. Let me know how it goes for you, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends who might need this. And see you soon.